If you're an apprentice and you're starting out on a building site or a job site, one of the first things you're going to do is sweep the floors. Now, if you're tall like me, when you get a broom, the broom handles it comes with are really short, and if you're tall like me, you know, it's an issue. If you're sweeping the floors all day, your back's sore. This is what I found out when I started my apprenticeship. But most of these brooms now, you can detach the handle and you can throw away that original handle, and you can get one of these. It's a painter's pole, an extendable painter's pole. This one's by Hayden, and they just, it's the same fitting. It'll just screw into the broom end and you can extend that handle. Now look at the difference there, that's massive. I can sweep floors all day. I don't have to bend over, you know. That's one of my best apprentice tips I can give anyone. And also, when you're sweeping the floors, carry around a 6-inch knife and you can just scoop up easy as. So that's my apprentice tip or trick. Get yourself a painter's pole, an extendable one for sweeping the floors, and you'll be fine. You won't have a sore back.